And Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Summit for Democracy hosted by US President Joe Biden, where representatives from 100 countries took part. PM Modi stressed that technology firms should contribute to preserve democratic societies, saying that technology has the ability to impact democracies positively or negatively. In a tweet, PM Modi said that as the world's largest democracy, India stands ready to work with its partners to strengthen democratic values globally. US President Joe Biden said democracy is hard, but the choices that we are going to make today together are going to define it.
Democracy is hard. We all know that. Democracies are not all the same. We don't agree on everything, all of us in this meeting today. But the choices we make together are going to define, in my view, the course of our shared future for generations to come. My late friend, Congressman John Lewis, was a great champion of American democracy and for civil rights around the world, learning from and gaining inspiration from other great leaders like Gandhi and Mandela. With his final words as he was dying to our nation last year, he reminded our country, quote, "Democracy is not a state, it's an act. Democracy is not a state, it is an act."
10th century Uttar Merud inscription that codified the principles of democratic participation. This very democratic spirit and ethos had made ancient India one of the most prosperous. Centuries of colonial rule could not suppress the democratic spirit of the Indian people. It again found full expression with India's independence and led to an unparalleled story in democratic nation building over the last 75 years. It is a story of unprecedented socio-economic inclusion in all spheres. It is a story of constant improvements in health, education, and human well-being at an unimaginable scale. The India story has one clear message to the world that democracy can deliver, that democracy has delivered, and that democracy will continue to deliver. Excellencies, the structural features like multi-party elections, independent judiciary, and free media are important instruments of democracy. However, the basic strength of democracy is the spirit and ethos that lie within our citizens and our societies. Democracy is not only of the people, by the people, for the people, but also with the people, within the people. Excellencies, different parts of the world have followed different paths of democratic development. There is much we can learn from each other. We all need to constantly improve our democratic practices and systems. And we all need to continuously enhance inclusion, transparency, human dignity, responsive grievance redressal, and decentralization of power. In this context, today's assembly provides a timely platform for furthering cooperation among democracies. India would be happy to share its expertise in holding free and fair elections and enhancing transparency in all areas of governance through innovative digital solutions. we must also jointly shape global norms for emerging technologies like social media and cryptocurrencies, so that they are used to empower democracy, not to undermine it. Excellencies, by working together, democracies can meet the aspirations of our citizens and celebrate the democratic spirit of humanity. India stands ready to join fellow democracies in this noble endeavor.